Hi there, I'm Mark Sebastian, founder of OptionPit.com, and this is the Option Pit Volatility Report reminder. This is for education purposes only. None of this should be considered investment advice. Options have risk. Consult your financial professional. Well, quite the day today, folks. Here we are. And, we get a shooting in Las Vegas. We get Trump saying that there's no negotiating with Rocket Man. And tax reform is getting huge pushbacks. And, of course, the market's up and falls in again. Yes, VIX weekend adjusted is down on the day, or is up on the day, but weekend adjusted is down. And that's why you see VXX down, UVXY, and the VIX futures. So stocks that we're watching today, take a look at Fitbit, FIT. Reviews for their new watch were not good, and they have earnings coming up in a month. It could be a real problem for them. You can see that vol is through the roof. So there's something going on with Fitbit. We're going to continue to watch the Qs and Apple and what's going on there. Despite the rally last week, they've gotten back up, but they've not reached some of the other highs. Meanwhile, the SPX has. It's sitting on 25.22, a new all-time high. See if it runs 50-day moving average. Then you have, so they're the real outlier is the Russell, which continues to just be a force. When you take a look at the chart of Russell, it has been just on a tear. Look at this. Boom. And I believe that is it is all-time highs in Russia. And that's what it'll do. It'll have these moments where it just explodes higher, which is why it can be kind of difficult to trade. So who knows what it could do over the next month or two. Other names we're going to be watching, IBM. So a news story came out saying they have more employees in India than they do in the United States. I don't know why that seems interesting, but they have earnings on the 17th. I'm going to kind of look at and see if there's some interesting plays there for IBM. And then, one thing we always do is we just kind of, especially on a Monday, what's gaining a lot of price? Anything interesting? Generac maybe. Nothing that has a lot of option volumes. Then I do the same thing on the loser's side. See if I can find something. Bluebird Bio. Nordstrom's. Nordstrom's down $3 today. This is one that's been on our radar. And I'm going to guess there's news out involving that if it's down $3. But, this is one that I will do some playing with in terms of, what can I do around it, and I'll be kind of looking at the news to see what's going on. And we know they're a part of a potential family taking it private, but that is it. So Nordstrom's we will be playing with today. This may be an opportunity to take advantage of kind of what's going on. So we'll be playing with that, and of course, obviously, we're playing with SPX, and we're going to look at VIX, which has expiration plays in order, and we may find something that we like to do in that. In our live trading session at the Pro Trader Summit and in our chat room, I did a trade in VIX that was an expiration play, and I paid 60 for this put spread on Friday, and I'm going to try and get out of it at 85 today. Those are the type of things I try to do. All right, folks, if you have questions, you can email me, mark@optionpit.com, or you can call me 888-TRADE-01.